Hi there! In this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can send and receive emails directly in ClickUp. Managing emails within ClickUp helps you keep communication and tasks in one platform. So first, you will go to ClickUp, and once you're here, you will look for email, which you can find from the app. So go ahead and click custom. Go ahead and click find your app. So it should be right here somewhere. So yeah, once you're on the app section, you will look for Gmail. So go ahead and search for that. And now what you will have to do is basically you'll just have to connect Inbox and then you will see Gmail, and then you will follow prompts to authorize ClickUp to access your email account. Then to send an email, you will just have to click plus new email, and then you will click compose and add recipients, then subject, then the body, then send. To receive emails, you will just have to check emails and then inbox, and then emails from connected accounts appear here. You can convert emails to tasks by clicking convert to task and then assign set and then set due date. So yeah, that's basically it. And by the way, you will use filters and labels to organize incoming emails efficiently. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.